The guys at Nightsearcher have kindly sent me out this brand new product, the Nightsearcher HT2200R. I've been waiting a few months for this head torch after seeing it and checking it out on my trip to Hampshire back in October, where I met Dylan and Ethan, two of the guys who work there, and they showed me their latest products. It comes well packaged with both English and German on the box. On opening the box, you first see the light itself with its two separate lenses, a spotlight and a floodlight. On opening the inner box, you'll find a USB-C charging cable and the rest of the head torch with its non-slip elasticated headband and the battery pack, and also the instructions, which are in various languages including English and German. So let's check out the head torch itself. The two lenses themselves are housed in an aircraft grade aluminium casing, with a spotlight on the left with its three different powers, low, medium and high, operating by the left hand button as it's facing you, and the floodlight on the right with its three different powers, low, medium and high, operating by the right hand button as it's facing you. Then you have the red light built into the battery pack, which operates by a separate button just below the charging port. This gives off either a solid red light or a flashing red light. The battery itself is a 7.2 volt 4800 mAh lithium ion rechargeable battery housed behind a clipped door. The HT2200R fits onto my helmet by the elasticated headband, which clips under the clips on my helmet for an extra secure fit, but it will also fit on your head perfectly with the non-slip headband. As you can see, it's a nice snug fit and it fits perfectly onto my helmet with no problem. I'm really looking forward to getting this outside and underground to test it. Taking it outside, we'll test out both spotlight and the floodlight on low, medium and high powers. As you can see, the results are really good. It's a very bright head torch and perfect for all outdoor and underground activities, professional or recreational. This is a really well made and fantastic head torch. I'm really looking forward to getting it out underground and testing it. Looking at it from a different angle, the HT2200R is the perfect head torch for any scenario. Here I am cycling through both beams and the different power modes. Back inside now and just checking out the USB-C charging port with the rubber cover. This head torch is IP64 rated against dust and water. The flashing red light and the solid red light at the back. And then just cycling through the different modes on the front. This is a really well made torch and I'm really pleased with it. I cannot wait to get it out and get it tested underground. There's between an 8 and a 35 hour working time, presuming 8 being on full power, the 35 hour will be on low power. It's a very, very well made torch. Thank you for watching.